Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege and PS4 and PC. Now, cross-playing Rainbow Six Siege between PS4 and PC involves several steps as the game supports crossplay between certain platforms with some limitations. And here's a guide on how you can set up. The first thing is you could go ahead and update the game, or you could also link your Ubisoft account. So open up a browser, type in ubisoft.com, and that's going to take you to this official page. Now, unfortunately, you cannot do this procedure, so for that case, you could go ahead and read the statement on the support team. So type in ubisoft.com/help, and here you have been provided with list of information. Likewise, Rainbow Six Siege support crossplay between PlayStation and Xbox console or PC and Luna. This means you can matchmake with others who are playing with the compatible platform, and it is also not possible to matchmake between PC and console platform at the same time. So then the cross progression is also supported between all available platforms for Rainbow Six Siege. You could also go ahead and make use of these features by linking your platform across the game to the Ubisoft account. So you could go through all of these information and accordingly. Then you could also go ahead and press the contact us button, state about the issue with the team, and you should be able to get further notification regarding the following queries. So that is basically how you can crossplay a Rainbow Six Siege PS4 and PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.